Today, we will practice noticing what is happening without immediately turning it into criticism. Find a comfortable position. Let your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes gently, or keep them lowered. Begin by noticing that you are breathing. You do not need to change the breath. Simply feel it. Notice where breathing is easiest to feel. Perhaps around the nose. Perhaps in the chest. Or perhaps in the belly. Let your attention rest there. The mind may begin commenting on the practice. It may say, "This is going well. This is boring. I'm too distracted. I'm not doing this properly." You do not need to argue with those thoughts. And you do not need to believe them. Simply notice that the mind is judging the experience. Then return to the breath. Feel the next inhale as it arrives. Feel the exhale as it leaves. Nothing needs to be perfect. You may notice discomfort somewhere in the body. Perhaps restlessness, tightness, heaviness, or the urge to move. Before changing anything, pause for a moment. Notice the sensation itself. Then notice whether the mind adds a judgment. This is annoying. I can't sit still. This shouldn't be happening. See whether you can separate the sensation from the story about it. There may be tightness. There may be restlessness. There may be frustration. When the mind wanders, you may notice another familiar reaction. I lost focus again. I'm terrible at this. But noticing that the mind wandered is not failure. That moment of noticing is the practice. So when attention moves away, try replacing criticism with a simple recognition. My attention moved. And then come back. This same pattern happens outside meditation. You forget something and call yourself careless. You become emotional and tell yourself you are too sensitive. You lose patience and decide you are a bad person. Mindfulness does not mean ignoring your actions. It means seeing them clearly without attacking yourself. Bring to mind a small moment from your day. Nothing overwhelming. Perhaps you were distracted. Perhaps you said something awkward. Perhaps you did not finish what you planned. Notice what the mind says about that moment. Does it turn one mistake into a statement about who you are? For now, do not try to solve the situation. Simply notice the judgment. Perhaps the fact is simply, I forgot. I became impatient. I felt nervous. I changed my mind. A fact can be acknowledged. A mistake can be corrected. But you do not need to turn every difficult moment into an attack on yourself. For the next few moments, practice allowing the experience to be ordinary. A breath is just a breath. A thought is just a thought. A moment of distraction is simply a moment of distraction. If judgment appears again, notice it gently. There is no need to judge yourself for judging. That would only create another layer. Notice it. And begin again. Take one slightly deeper breath in. And slowly breathe out. Notice how you feel now. There is no correct answer. You may feel calmer. You may feel unchanged. You may still feel distracted. Whatever is present, see whether you can allow it to be here without evaluating the practice. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 6. Non-judgment does not mean that everything is acceptable. It means seeing clearly before deciding how to respond. Day 7, we will bring the skills from this first week together in one complete breath awareness practice.